Welcome to Street Finance. We are excited to have you back here on our channel. Please do us a favor and subscribe, like and share our videos to your friends. In this video we'll be explaining why you need to get a renter's insurance coverage now. Let's dive in. Here's what you need to know about renter's insurance. Not everyone has the cash to buy a house right away, and many people rent long term. Renter's insurance is an important consideration in this situation. It can protect your personal property from natural disasters, vandalism, and other unfortunate circumstances. This type of insurance is very affordable, and it can also be useful if you're renting and planning on staying there for a while. If you need to replace your belongings or repair your apartment after a fire, flood, or some other disaster, renter's insurance will help you pay for those expenses quickly and fairly easily. Here are some things you should know about renter's insurance before signing that lease. Let's say you rent a house and the roof starts leaking. Your landlord agrees to have it fixed as soon as he can, but the roofing company he hires is careless and they damage your belongings while fixing the roof. What will you do? You'll probably have to replace everything that was damaged, and that can get expensive. This is why renter's insurance is so important. It will protect you financially if something like this happens. The same thing goes for a fire or other natural disaster that damages your place of residence. Renter's insurance can help you cover the cost of repairs and pay for new belongings if your old ones are ruined. Unfortunately, if you have no renter's insurance, you'll have to pay for everything out of pocket. It can take a long time to get that money back. That's why it's important to get renter's insurance as soon as you start renting a place. So, once again, renter's insurance protects you against theft, fire, vandalism, and certain types of natural disasters. You can also get liability coverage, which will protect you if someone is injured in your home and sues you. If the person wins, your liability coverage will help you pay your legal fees. Typically, renter's insurance is fairly affordable and will cost less than homeowner's insurance. It would be a good idea to look into this type of coverage. Renter's insurance will not replace your entire house if it is destroyed by a hurricane or other natural disaster. It simply covers your personal belongings that are in your home. So we can summarize the protection you get from renter's insurance by categorizing them into 4. Number 1. Protection against theft or robbery. If you live in a high crime area, renter's insurance can protect you against theft. If your personal belongings are stolen, the insurance company will help you replace them. If you live in a low crime area, it might not be worth paying for this coverage. You might be paying for something you don't need. Bad things can happen anywhere, though, so it's always better to be safe than sorry. Some insurance companies may require you to install an alarm system if you want theft coverage. This way, you're also protecting your neighbors from theft. Number 2. Protection against vandalism. If someone, let's say a political or social justice activist, breaks into your home and vandalizes your belongings, they might also cause damage to the walls, windows, or doors. Vandalism coverage will help you pay to have these things repaired or replaced. If you have expensive or rare items, you might want to consider adding special coverage for them. Some companies offer a special art or coin policy that will help you pay to replace your rare items if they're vandalized or stolen. This type of policy is generally more expensive. Number 3. Protection against natural disasters. A standard renter's insurance policy will include protection against weather-related disasters, such as hurricanes, tornadoes, floods, or blizzards, or even wildfires. If the place you live gets hit by a natural disaster, this coverage will help you repair your home and replace your damaged belongings. It will also cover certain expenses if you need to stay in a hotel temporarily. For example, let's say a tornado hits your city, it's incredibly loud, and you can't sleep. You also can't work in this kind of environment. If you're expecting a big project or interview, you'll probably be too stressed out to perform well. If this happens, your renter's insurance will help you pay for a hotel room where you can rest and stay calm. Number 4. Other protections for renters, and these include liability coverage. This will help you pay legal fees if someone is injured on your property and sues you. You may want to get this if you have kids or pets. Medical coverage. Some insurance companies will pay for medical bills if you are injured at home. Replacement cost coverage. This is a type of coverage that will help you replace your belongings by helping you to buy brand new ones. Wear and tear. This coverage can help you if your landlord tries to charge you for normal signs of wear and tear on your place. Now let's look at how much will renter's insurance could cost. The cost of renter's insurance depends on where you live, the value of your belongings, and the type of policy you choose. The best way to find out how much it will cost is to get a quote from an insurance company. You can use a website like Policy Genius to find renter's insurance quotes from multiple companies. This will help you compare rates and find the best policy for you. It's important to shop around and compare quotes from different companies. This will help you find the most affordable policy. Now, should you get renter's insurance now or later? You can get renter's insurance at any time, but you should not wait to get coverage if you have a lot of valuable belongings. If you have a lot of expensive devices, you might want to get renter's insurance as soon as possible. If you live in a high-risk area, you should also consider getting insurance as soon as you move in. This will help you get a lower monthly rate. If you have a few things in your apartment, you don't need to get insurance right away. You probably don't have enough to make it worth the cost. But as you accumulate more stuff, you should consider getting a policy. Bottom line is, renter's insurance is an important part of your household and financial safety net. It will help you replace your belongings in the event of theft, vandalism, or a natural disaster. It will also help you pay for medical bills and legal fees if someone is injured on your property or sues you. This type of insurance is fairly affordable, and it will protect your financial future. Now, you know everything you need to know about renter's insurance. It's time to get a policy and protect yourself and your belongings. Thank you for watching. Do you have a renter's insurance? Do you think it is useful? Please drop your comments below. Do not forget to click the like button and subscribe to the channel for more finance contents like this. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.